Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to properly activate evolution cards in Clash Royale, so you can actually use the special power in battle. This process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So you finally collected enough shards to unlock an evolution for one of your cards, like for example, the Knight or the Firecracker. But when you jump into a match, the card is still acting just like the normal versions. And this is a very common confusion. The issue is that simply having the card in your deck isn't enough. It has to be in a specific slot. So just simply go ahead and open your main deck where you build your battle deck. Then, depending on your King Tower level, you will see the first slot, and sometimes the second slot. Now, it glows purple and has a dark elixir icon on it, and that is going to be your evolution slot. Now, if your evolution card isn't sitting right here, its power won't work. Now we know where the magic actually happens, so let's fix your deck. First, find the card in your collection that you have evolved. You'll know it's ready because the picture of the character will look slightly different, usually more powerful or glowing. Then simply tap and hold on the card, and then you will find that you can pick that card up just like this, as you can see right over here, and then drag it directly into the specific glowing evolution slot. This is usually the very first slot in your deck. Now when you drop it there, you will see a special animation, and the card usually gets a unique border or a diamond icon to confirm the evolution is active. Now if you put the same card in any other slot in your deck, it'll revert to being a standard non-evolution card, so position is extremely important. One quick thing to double check before you head into battle: placing a card in that slot only works if you have actually unlocked the evolution using shards. You can check this by going to the Collections tab, tap on the card you want to use, and look for the Evolution tab. If you see an empty slot like 0 out of 6, the evolution isn't unlocked yet. Even if you put it in the special slot, you will need to fill those slots first. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to equip your evolution card to dominate the arena with their full power. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.